What's up guys, today in this video I'm going to teach you how to play Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 on Steam on PC using a PS4 controller. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is to connect your PS4 controller to your PC. Now you can do that by either plugging it in with the cable, or you can do it with Bluetooth if you want to play wirelessly. But first, let me show you how to do it with the cable. So this cable is already plugged into my computer. So all I have to do is to just plug my controller just like that. And Steam should automatically detect your controller. Now, if you plug in your controller with the cable, you might run into a problem where you're not hearing any sound on your headphones or speakers, whatever you're using. If that happens, here's what you need to do. Go over here to the sound icon, click the sound icon, click over here. By default, for me, this is the setting if I plug in my controller, so just click here and try to figure out whichever one of these is your headphones. So for me, I know it's this one because look, right now, if it's set to this, I try to change the volume, I can't hear any sound on my headphones. So just click here, try to figure out whichever one is your headphones. I know it's this one right here, so I'm gonna click this, and now if I adjust the volume, now I can hear the sound on my headphones. So that's all you have to do. Alright, so now I'm gonna teach you how to connect your controller wirelessly. So let me just unplug this. Alright, so if you want to connect your controller with Bluetooth to play wirelessly, here's what you need to do. So press and hold the home button and the share button at the same time until it starts blinking. And now, as you can see, it's blinking. I don't know how well you can see it on camera, but it's blinking. So after you do that, go over here to the search bar, type Bluetooth, open up Bluetooth and other devices settings. Click over here to add Bluetooth or other device, Bluetooth, and you should see wireless controller. Click that and it's going to connect, and now it says your device is ready to go. Just click done, and you can minimize this because you're probably going to need it later. Alright, so the next thing that you need to do is to open up big picture mode on Steam. Now, for some games don't work when you use a controller unless you open big picture mode. I'm not sure why, but I recommend just opening big picture mode for any game that you play with a controller. So let's open up big picture mode right here. And now, as you can see, I am now using my controller to navigate here, as you can see. So all we got to do is just open up the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. So you can actually just search it up here. So right here, and just open it up. Alright, so here we are. I have the game open, but first there's something that you need to do before you can actually play with your PS4 controller. So as you can see, I'm controlling this game with my controller, but in order to actually play with the controller, you have to go to settings. So let's just press options on our controller, go to settings over here, and go to controller, and right here, as you can see, aiming input device, it says mouse, so you're gonna have to change that to controller. So let's change that to controller, and now you can play using a controller. I'm gonna quickly show you. Let me just do a quick private match. So let's just create a private match game. So let me just set up some bots here. Alright, so here I am playing the game. As you can see, I'm using my controller. Please just ignore the lag. I might actually need to change some settings here, but that's not really the point of this video. The point of this video is me using my controller. As you can see, it works, and I just killed someone. It's just a bot, but that is pretty much it. That's how you play this game on PC, on Steam, using a PS4 controller. Alright, so once you're done using your controller and you want to disconnect it, if you're using Bluetooth, here's what you need to do. So first, let's actually just close big picture mode by pressing the home button, or you can also press circle, go to power, and exit big picture mode. So after that, open up Bluetooth and other devices settings again. If you forgot how to do it, it's just click over here into the search bar and search for Bluetooth, and here we are again. So as you can see, wireless controller is connected. So if you want to disconnect it, all you have to do is click it and just click remove device, and that's pretty much it, and the light on your controller will just disappear. Alright guys, so that is how you play Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 on Steam on PC using a PS4 controller. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, make sure to give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. If you want to keep up with me on my socials, I'll put them on the screen and I'll leave links to them in the description below. And if you want to join my Discord server, I'll also put the link to it down in the description as well. So guys, thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Later.